Hello everyone. In this session, we'll be quickly recapping the nerves related with the mandible. Okay, so here is the mandible bone that we can see. It is the bone of the lower jaw. It's a part of the skull. Basic parts first, let us see. This is the body of the mandible. This is the ramus of the mandible. The ramus has got this projection called as the coronoid process, and this is the condylar process. Okay, and for nerves related with the mandible, total how many nerves are there which are directly attached or related to the mandible? There are 7 nerves. Okay, so how to remember all of them? So I'll give you basic tricks how to remember them. Okay, so please watch till the end. First, identify this opening here. This opening is referred to as the mandibular foramen. Okay, the nerve which passes through the mandibular foramen is inferior alveolar nerve. Okay, it's a branch from the mandibular nerve. Okay, so this is the first nerve that you can remember, inferior alveolar nerve. Okay, and then this inferior alveolar nerve gives a branch called as the nerve to mylohyoid. Okay, there is a branch called as nerve to mylohyoid which passes through this mylohyoid groove. There's a groove called as mylohyoid groove, and the nerve is nerve to mylohyoid. Okay, nerve passing through the foramen is inferior alveolar nerve. A branch from that is nerve to mylohyoid. Okay, and this inferior alveolar nerve which enters from this mandibular foramen, it exits out through an opening called as the mental foramen. Okay, this opening here, that's referred to as the mental foramen. So you can remember one nerve here, the mental nerve. Okay, so 3 nerves we have covered till now: the inferior alveolar nerve, the nerve to mylohyoid, and the mental nerve. Okay, then one more nerve is related just behind the third molar tooth. That nerve is the lingual nerve. Okay, and then one nerve passes through this mandibular notch, that is referred to as masseteric nerve. Okay, passes from here and goes and supplies the masseter muscle which is there in this part. Okay, and one nerve is related with the neck of the mandible. Okay, that nerve is auriculotemporal nerve. Okay, so all nerves that we have covered till now, all these are branches from the mandibular nerve. Okay, we started with this inferior alveolar nerve, the nerve to mylohyoid, and mental nerve, and 3 other nerves I told you: the lingual nerve, the masseteric nerve, and the auriculotemporal nerve. Okay, so total 6 nerves we have covered, and one more nerve is related at the margin of the mandible, that's referred to as marginal mandibular nerve. This one is a branch from the facial nerve. Okay, so like this, there are 7 nerves related with the mandible, and a detailed video on the mandible bone is available in this channel. You all can watch from the link given in the description box. Thank you.